In this video, I'll show you how to download and create a Facebook account. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store. Search for Facebook and download and install the app. Once installed, open the app. Tap Continue to accept the terms and privacy policy. Tap Create New Account. Tap Get Started. Enter your first and last name. Tap Next. Select your birthday and tap Next. Choose your gender and tap Next. Allow Facebook to access your contacts, then choose to sign up with either your mobile number or email. I'll enter a mobile number and tap Next. Create a strong password and tap Next. Tap Save to save your login info. Tap I agree to accept Facebook's terms and privacy policy. If using an email, confirm it by entering your email address and tapping Next. Add a profile picture if you'd like. Tap Not Now. Tap Next. Tap Skip. Tap Continue to access to location. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now created. You can now add friends, update your profile, and explore more features. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.